Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me back again with yet another tutorial video for you guys on how to geek, and in today's video I'm about to show you how you can recover your AfterPay account. So if you've been using AfterPay for a certain while for easy purchases and for later payments, but now seem to have gotten stuck because you've forgotten the password to your account and you're still trying to recover your account, stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how exactly this can be done. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the AfterPay app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this that will either ask you to log in or create new account. Tap on the login button. After you tap on the login button, you'll be asked to enter your email and your password in order to log into your account. But since you've forgotten your password, tap on I don't know my password. After you do that, what will happen is that they'll try to reset your password, which means that they'll ask you for the email address that you used in order to sign up for the AfterPay account. So enter your email address in this section and then tap on the blue mark. After you tap on the blue arrow mark, what will happen is that they'll send you a certain reset link where you will be able to reset your password after tapping on the link in your email address. When you reset a password to something new, you will again be directed to this page where you can enter your email address and your password and then the new password that you just set for your account, and then tap on the blue arrow mark again. In this manner, you'll get signed into your account, which means that your account recovery will have been successful. So this is basically how it works. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to recover your own AfterPay account. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around in the next video.